everybody, and this is Sir Otter. Do you like my origami otter? I like it. And welcome to another Lego building thing. And today I'm going to teach you how to build variations on the sonic screwdriver from Doctor Who. And these ones don't light up because they're made out of Legos. So, sorry about that, and they're not really Sonic. If they made Sonic Legos, that would be awesome, but they don't. So here's my Sonic, but that is not what this whole thing is about. And I have my Sonic sunglasses too, so I'm gonna put them on. And watch this in style. Okay, so first I'm going to show you how to build this Sonic. Okay, so first you want to take a cylinder piece, put it on top of another cylinder piece, make sure that it's gray, and then put that on top of a dome piece. That's lovely, right? Now you want to take a staff piece and put it inside the cylinder piece, and it looks like that. Now you're going to put one of these T things and put it right here. Then put one of these, put it right here, and another T thing and put it right here. And that locks it in place. Now you want to take one of these 1x2 bricks that only have one stud on the top and put them on the two studs that are, two 1x2 stud spaces that are not filled. Now you want to take a transparent slope and put it on the first part, and then put a tile on the second part. And that's the button for the Sonic. Now you want to put one of these on top of this. So it looks like that. Now it's locked into place. Can't shake it apart. Now you have to use these cannon thingy-mabobbies, put them inside these. And then that looks like that. Now you want to take one of these and put it right there. And then two small transparent blue dome thingies, put it on top. It looks like that. Now you want to take one of these, put it right here, one of these, put it right here. I'm not sure what their names are, so that's why I'm saying one of these. And make sure that they have like a decoration right here. And then I'm going to take a, some vent piece and put it right there. Now we're almost finished. Now we want to put a colorful, transparent tile on the bottom part of the black stud. And then put a lever right there. There. Now you want to put two orange studs right here and right here. And it looks like that. Now you want to put one of these things with the holes on top of the stud with this dome. Then you want to do one of these with a ring or some colored thing right there. And then a 1x2 brick on top of the 1x2 brick with the hole in it. And it looks like that. Now you want to use a 2x2 gray piece and put it right here. And it looks like that. This is going to be the radar scanner thingy. Now you want to put a stud right here. Then one of these right there. Then a lightsaber hilt right there. And you have the first Sonic. Now for the second Sonic, we're gonna put one of these R8 pieces and then a lever on top of the R8 dome piece. Now you want to put a cylinder piece, a 2x2 cylinder piece that is transparent blue or transparent green. Now, you want to put a T-bar just enough so the transparent blue piece can stick in the T-bar. Now you want to put one of these tire things there. Then look at this. Now you want to put the tire piece in this tire thingy-mabobby. It looks like that. This is going to be the handle. Now you want to put another tire thingy-mabobby right here. After you've done that, you want to put another R6 head right there. Now that you've done that, you want to take one of these. Then put one of these in that. And it looks like that. Now you want another T-bar. Push it in as far as it goes. We're almost done. Now you want to put 1, 2, 3 lightsaber hilt in there. Now you want to put this weird bazooka thing, put it in there. Now like a crystal or some high-tech scanning screen, and put it right there. I wish I had smell-o-vision, that would be cool. Now you want to put one of these thingy-mabobbies right here, and make sure that it attaches to the lightsaber hilts. Now, want to put a 2x2 round 1/3 piece right there. After that, you want to put one cone, transparent cone right there, one transparent cone right there, and one transparent cone right there. Now, after that, you want to take one of these Lego Technic pieces that have a T-bar hole on both sides at different directions, and then a T thingy-mabobby right there. Now you want to push that in, And that's good. After you've done that, you want to push one of these car stud wheel things with a T-bar hole in there. Then put a untoothed hole right there. Now you want to put an R2-D2 head right here, and then one of these right there. Now this looks familiar,
what do you want to do?
and it kind of looks like the Masters Sonic, only his is a laser screwdriver. And that's pretty awesome. Now, after you've done that, we want to go over to the next. Now, for the last Sonic, we want to take one of these special pieces that look kind of like a soap, put it on a cylinder piece. This Sonic will be easier than the last ones. Now you want to put 2 brown cylinder pieces on top of that. Once you've done that, you want to put a ski piece, put it right there, then put another brown piece right there and push it in really hard till it sticks. Now you want to put one of these pieces. Wait. I'm sorry. You want to put one of these pieces in, then go like that. Now you want to take one of these 1x2 pieces with a hole in it and put it right there. Then put a 1x2 transparent piece right there. After you've done that, you want to put another R6 headpiece right there. Now you want to put a transparent cylinder piece right there. Then a brown transparent cylinder piece right there. The blue thing will be the button. Now you want to put a blue thingy-mabobby right here with on top of the staff, and then put 2 tire wheels right there. Now you want to push that through. Now you've made your Sonic that looks a lot like the 10th Doctor Sonic. This is a lot different from the regular Sonic screwdriver as seen on TV, even the newer one with the 12th Doctor. And it unfortunately doesn't do this. But it still looks really cool. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and watch more Sir Otter videos. And this is my Lego version of myself to see what I think I would look like in Legos. Goodbye! Woohoo!